Hi there, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today I will be taking you through how to draw an octopus in a few simple steps. So let's get started. Grab a sheet of paper, a pencil, some markers, and here we go. So the first step, we're going to draw a circle on the upper portion of the paper. So we're going to draw a round shape like that. From there, we'll draw two eyes, and they're going to be circular in shape, kind of like two eggs, down lower towards the lower part of this circle. So one on this side, and one on this side, like that. Then let's draw some of the tentacles. So we're going to draw three tentacles, one out to the left, right, and down the center. So what I'm going to do is from about this position here, I'm going to go out towards the left. We're going to hook up and then down. We're going to curl it, and then we're going to come up, hook over, and this is the thinnest point. We're going to get thicker as we go down towards this area here. So come down like this, and we'll stop right around there. On the other side, we'll start about the same location, and we'll come down. We'll go up a little bit higher, and we'll come down like this, and we'll curl this guy over this direction. So then let's come back like that, and then we get a little bit wider like that. And then one down the center. So we'll start around here, and we'll draw a curvy snake type of shape. This, come back up, again going thinner to thicker, and like that. Okay, so now we have three tentacles, but octopus have 8 usually, right? So we'll draw 2 more here and 3 more on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start about here, and I'm going to leave space for 2 over here, all right? So we'll do something similar like this. Come over, come down, hook back up, and I'll curl this over, and we'll come back in like that, and then we'll draw another one like this, and we'll come back like that. Now on this side, we're going to try to fit 3 in here, all right? So we might have been better suited if we push this a little bit over to the left, but we will make this happen. So let's start over here, and we'll come down, come back up, and we'll hook this way. And again, I'm going to leave some room. And I'm going to stop this tentacle right about here so I can start the other one. So I'm going to do a second one here, like this. And we'll come back this way, back down, and kind of hook it back up like that. And we'll do one more, so I'll stop about here, and we'll get the other one in, the last one. So we'll kind of go like this, draw a couple little wiggles. And there we go, like that. And you can finish those off like that. So there we go, there we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tentacles. Let's add in some details to the eye. So we're going to start at the base of the eye. I'm going to draw a circular shape like this, and I'll do the same for the other side. And we'll draw a little happy face. And then we'll draw a smaller circle over here on the left side of each eye, and a smaller one even so down here. And then let's do a little bit better of a smile, so we'll hook this edge, this corner of the mouth, we'll come down, come back to the point there. And then for the tentacles, we're going to add some details to the tentacles. So we're going to start about here, going to come down like that. And this one here, going to follow along, almost making kind of like an additional S shape inside of each tentacle. So this one here will come up and over that. So these tentacles here, these lower pieces, are on the right side of each of the tentacles, and over here we'll have them on the left side. So we'll go like this for this middle one. You can kind of see I'm not going all the way to the points. So this might be getting a little confusing, but it'll make sense later on when we color this in. Just like that. And the last one, something like that. All right, now let's add some little suction. So now in these smaller sections here, we'll add some elliptical shapes. That. So we'll probably do about 3 or maybe even 4 for each of these. Just like that. And don't forget, on this side, this is the smaller section here, so we'll draw those suction cups over here on this side. Just like that. There we go. Okay, and then for the eyes, I'm just going to add a little detail on top of each eye, like an eyebrow. There we go. And we can add a little detail where the head is, something like that. Couple little extensions like that. And there you go. We just drew an octopus in a few simple steps. Okay, so I'm going to go and render this. So I'm going to grab a Sharpie, and I'm going to start off. I'm going to fill in the eye. I'm going to make sure I don't hit those white areas there. Just like that. And this one's bleeding a little bit too much, so I'm going to go and grab a smaller Sharpie for these other details here. So now I'm going to take my darker Sharpie here, or the thicker one, and just pick off some of the shapes that are in the right side, which will make it look a little bit more dimensional. Like there's a shadow there. Okay, now I'm going to grab my purple marker and start coloring the octopus in. I'm going to start with my lighter purple, and I'm going to go and I'm going to leave the little suctions like white. So I just try to go around those. And I'm going to fill in the other areas with darker purple, so I'm not going to worry about kind of going out of the lines too much here. Okay, now that the light purple is done, I'm going to start adding some darker purple. Well, there you go. We just finished rendering an octopus, and in purple color we added a little bit of a shadow. So hope you guys liked it, and subscribe to our channel and check out some more of our videos. See you next time.